What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to do a quick and dirty split screen effect in Premiere Pro. It's super simple, it's not made for advanced users, so if you're advanced, I don't know why you're here. Otherwise, thanks. But it's for people that are new to Premiere and they want to quickly learn how to do something like this. Not with plugins, not with fancy packs, just something you can do inside of Premiere Pro. So let's start from scratch. Okay, so you're here and you want to do a split screen. What you'll do is you go to Window and Effects. Mine's already open right here, and just type crop. That's a pretty obvious answer, but we'll do it anyways. Crop right here. So this guy, this is going to be unique to your footage on how you want to split screen it, but he is in the center. So if I crop the footage with the Effect Control panel, Window and Effect Controls, if yours is not open, and I let's say crop it from the left 50%, it looks like that. And his face is cut in half. I don't want that to happen. I want him to be on the right or the left side of the screen with it kind of cropped right down the middle. So let's do left 0. What I'm going to do is grab his footage and use the motion tag right here in the effect controls and move him over. We'll use this button right here called Safe Margins. If Safe Margins doesn't exist on your thing, what you'll do is click this little plus icon right here, button editor, grab your safe margins and drag it down into here and click OK. Turn on safe margins. You can see there's a little line right here in the middle, which is the center of the screen. I'm going to move this guy over, kind of make it where he's in the center. Take the right crop margin and move it over. And that's cropped. Oh, it's almost perfect. Let's do 28. My mouse is a little too sensitive. That's too little, 26. Too much, 26.5. Perfect. And then we'll grab our clip below. Now you could crop this clip to kind of do an even match, or depending on how many clips you're using, but we can just move the clip over and find the exact moment we want to use. See, too far, it turns black as there's nothing on that edge, but you can see the line right here where it's actually ending. I want the kid throwing a flower. So from here, we play, turn these off, and it's cropped perfectly down the center. And that's it. That's how you quickly do a split screen effect inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to scan that QR code on the screen to learn more. Peace.